Hello students, myself Ashish Chawla and today we discuss about polygon. Polygon is basically a closed plane figure which is bounded by line segments. एक basically closed figure होता है जो कि line segment से मिलके बना होता है. जैसे for example, let's say this is a polygon because it is made by the three different line segments. So we generally named as triangle. This is a type of a polygon which is made by three line segment and we named this as triangle. In the same way, according to the number of line segment, we classify the polygons. Let's say if a polygon having three sides, let's say we make two columns, let's say one is number of sides and we name the figure. Let's say if a polygon having three sides, we generally call as triangle. The three-sided polygon is called triangle. If the polygon having four sides, we named as quadrilateral. Now, if a polygon having five sides, we named as pentagon. If a polygon having six sides, we named as hexagon. In the same way, if a polygon having seven sides, we named as heptagon. And 8-side figure is named as octagon. In this way, we can name the different polygons. Three-sided polygon is called triangle, four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral, and the five-sided figure polygon is called pentagon, and the six-sided figure is called hexagon, and the seven-sided polygon is called heptagon, and the eight-sided polygon is known as octagon. Now, after the polygon, we can classify mainly the polygon in two categories, that is a convex polygon and a concave polygon. Convex polygon. In case of convex polygon, let's say first of all draw the diagram of a convex polygon. In case of convex polygon, the interior angles, all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. All the interior angles are less than 180 degree. In case of convex polygon, all interior angles are less than 180 degree. All interior angles are less than 180 degree. While in the case of concave polygon, in the case of concave polygon, one or more interior angles of a polygon are greater than 180 degree. One or more interior angle are greater than 180. Let's say this is a polygon in which this angle is more than 180 degree. Rest are less than 180, but this angle is more than 180 degree. So in concave polygon, one or more angles are greater than 180 डिग्री, उसे हम कॉन्केव पॉलीगन बोलेंगे जिसमें एक या एक से ज़्यादा एंगल 180 डिग्री से ज़्यादा हो, वैल्यू ज़्यादा हो, तो उसे हम कॉन्केव पॉलीगन बोलेंगे. Now we come to the next point, that is regular polygon. What do you mean by a regular polygon? Regular polygon means if a polygon of n-sided figure, let's say this is a polygon, if this polygon, because if a polygon having n-sided and all sides are of equal length, and all the angles are equal. If in a polygon the length of all the sides are equal as well as all the interior angles are equal, then the polygon is said to be regular. These are the conditions for a polygon to be a regular. That is, first one is that all sides should be equal. All sides should be equal and and second, all angles should be equal. All angle should be equal. All angles should be equal. Now, suppose we have a polygon. Let's say this is a five-sided polygon we named as pentagon. Now, if I want to find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, then let's say from this point I join the opposite vertex, that is this one, and I join this point also. What I see that this polygon is divided into three triangles. So if a polygon having five sided, then it is divided into three triangles. So in generalize I can say if a polygon of n side, then if a polygon having n side, then it is having n minus 2 triangles. So the sum of all interior angles, so the sum of all the interior angles of a angle of a polygon of n side is n minus 2. As we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in n-sided polygon there are n minus 2 triangles. So the sum of all the interior angle is n minus 2 times the 180 degree. So the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is our first result. Now second result is that the sum of all exterior angles, the sum of the all exterior angle of a polygon, the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. It is independent of on n. That is, whatever the value of n, the sum of the exterior angle is always 360 degree. Whether it is a pentagon, triangle, quadrilateral, etc. It is independent of n. The sum of all the exterior angle of a triangle of a polygon is 360 degree, and it is independent of n. That is, it is independent. That is number of sides. What may be the number of sides? The sum of the exterior angle is always 360 degree. Now, if the polygon is regular, we can find the value of the interior angles. If the polygon is regular, we can find the interior angles. So each interior angle is equals to, that is, sum of the interior angle is n minus 2 into 180. We already know that. And there are n interior angles and each angle are equal, so the sum is divided by the number of sides, that is n. So this is the value of each interior angle, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n. In the same way, we can find the each exterior angle is, as we know that the sum of all the exterior angle is 360 degree. As there are n sides or n exterior angles, so each exterior angle should be the same, that is 360 degree. This should be the each exterior angle value. Remember that we can find the each interior angle and the each exterior angle in the case of when the polygon is said to be regular. When the polygon is regular, उसी केस में हम each interior angle और each exterior angle की वैल्यू हम निकाल पाएंगे जब polygon regular होगा. Otherwise we cannot find. Now there is one more formula according to the number of diagonals. We can find the number of diagonals in a polygon. The number of diagonal is equals to n into n minus 3 by 2. N into n minus 3. A polygon having n-sided figure, then it must have a diagonal. Number of diagonals are n into n minus 3 by 2. Now let's do some problems. My first question is that find the interior angle of a regular pentagon. As we know that in pentagon the number of sides are 5 and should be 5, and each interior angle, we know the formula, that is each interior angle is equals to n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. For n we put 5 here. 5 minus 2 into 180 divided by 5, we get 3 into 180 by 5, which is comes to be 180 is cancelled with 5, we get 36 into 3, that so the each interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degree. Now the next question, if the sum of interior angle is 1620 degree, then find the number of sides. As we know that the sum of the interior angle of a polygon having n side is n minus 2 into 180, which is given in the question, that is 1620. So n minus 2 is equals to 1620 divided by 180. We cancel with 0, 0. Now 18 divided by 162, it is comes to be 9. 18 9, that is 162. So n minus 2 is equals to 9. So n is equals to 9 plus 2, that is 11. So the polygon having 11 sides. We just remember the formulas. Okay, we move to the next question, that is if a polygon having 14 diagonals, if a polygon having 14 diagonals, find the number of sides. Now as we know that the number of diagonals in a polygon is given as n into n minus 3 by 2, which is given as 40. Now we cross multiply, that is n into n minus 3 is equals to 14 into 2, that is 28. Now n into n, that is n square minus 3n, is equals to 28. Now we shift 28 to the left hand side. N square minus 3n minus 28 is equals to 0. Now the factors of 28 are 7 and 4, and the difference in 7 and 4 is 3. So n square minus 7n plus 4n minus 28 equals to 0. We take n as common, so n minus 7. In this we take plus 4 as common, we get n minus 7 here equals to 0. Now from these two terms I can take n minus 7 common. So in bracket n plus 4 is there equals to 0. So n can be 7 or minus 4. As the number of sides cannot be negative, so our answer is 7. So the polygon having 7 line segments, or it is said to be a heptagon. Now we move to the next question. Let's say if a polygon in a regular polygon the ratio of each interior angle to the each exterior angle is 2:1. Then find the number of sides in a polygon. So the each interior angle to the each exterior angle, the ratio is given, that is 2:1. And we know that the formula of the each interior angles in a polygon, in a regular polygon, is n minus 2 into 180 divided by n, that is each interior angle to the each exterior angle. Each exterior angle is 360 divided by n, which is given as 2:1. Now it becomes n minus 2 into 180 upon n. Now when this quantity is shifted to the upside, it becomes reciprocal, that is n by 360 is equals to 2 by 1. Now n is cancelled with n and 180 is cancelled by 360, that is 2 times. Now after getting cross multiply, we get n minus 2 is equals to 4. N is equals to 4 plus 2, that is 6. So the polygon having 6 sided, and it is said to be a axis, is said to be an axon.